Hello, my name is Derek. I'm a product specialist at Verkada, and this video will cover configuring guest types in detail. Guest types are the visit options displayed on the iPad when visitors begin signing in. Each guest type can be customized for a relevant sign-in experience. On Verkada Command, go to the Products menu and select Guest. In the left panel, select the gear icon for Guest Settings. Choose the site where you want to set up a guest type, and then scroll to the Guest Type section. Select Manage Guest Types. Guest types can be configured at the site level or globally. Global guest types can be used across multiple guest sites, which is ideal for multi-location customers. In the Guest Types menu, you'll see all guest types currently being used by a site. All of these guest types could be modified with a click, or new guest types can be created. To create a new guest type, click Add Guest Type in the top right. Name this guest type and select a template to begin with. You're now in the Guest Type Settings page for the newly created guest type. The chosen template came with a few check-in steps already, such as contact info, full name, and badge photo, but it's up to you to choose which steps should be included for a guest type. To reorder a step, click the step and drag it to a new location in the check-in flow. To add a step, click the plus button. All available steps are shown. As an example, I'll add the security screening step. Consider which steps are necessary for a particular guest type. The security screening step will prompt the visitor to present their ID at check-in and will cross-reference it against various criminal databases and registries. Signed documents, questionnaires, and videos can be included as part of check-in as well. Detailed settings for each of these steps are visible by clicking directly on the step. When designing a guest type, one important consideration is whether this guest type is geared towards repeat visitors. If so, it may be valuable to skip previously completed steps so that the check-in experience is quick for returning visitors. To make a step skippable on a future visit, select the step and select the pin icon. On the right side of the page, there are a range of other settings that can be modified for a guest type. Label refers to the name of the guest type. Thank you message is the text shown to the visitor immediately after the visitor signs in. Allow self-sign-out lets visitors sign themselves out on a tablet or from a reminder message sent via SMS or email. By enabling Print Badge automatically, a badge will be printed once the visitor successfully signs in, passing all necessary approvals. By enabling Guest Pass, this guest type will allow returning visitors to present a QR code sent to them on a previous visit to skip previously completed steps. Face Pass allows returning visitors who've opted in to be recognized at an iPad and skip steps. Review and Confirm Info lets visitors review all the information they inputted while signing in on a single page before finishing check-in. By toggling Approved Guests Only, organizations can restrict visitors to successfully signing in as this guest type only if they are on an approved list, maintained in Guest. For customers with Verkada Access Control, limited door access may be granted to visitors from the Guest Door Access setting. To customize the badge that prints for the guest type, click on the badge in the top right. The badge orientation, border style, and border color can be customized. Adjusting border color requires a color printer to be used in the site. Admins can adjust what information collected at sign-in is presented on the badge, including name, badge photo, and hostname. Guest types can be translated into multiple languages. To translate required sections for a guest type, click the language in the top right and select from the drop-down. Address any step or setting highlighted in yellow to ensure complete translation. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have further questions, please visit our Knowledge Center or contact our 24/7 support team.